Hello friends, my name is Sandeep Parade and today's date is 26 March 2024 and today's our topic is life without electricity. So in today's life, electricity is the most important factor, most important things in our life because without electricity, most things are difficult to do in our daily tasks. That means for industry, for companies, for IT companies, or anything, electricity are mainly important. So, electricity is a in today's life, electricity is a lifeblood of a modern society, powering our homes, business, and essentials services. And our dependence on the electricity has grown significantly over the years, shaping the way we live and we work in the interact with the world around us. From the lightning and the heating of the communications and transportations, electricity plays vital roles in the virtually every aspect of the daily life. So, electricity, we can use electricity in the healthcare sector. That means hospital and the healthcare facilities rely really on the electricity to operate a critical equipment, maintain a temperatures control, and ensure that a safety of patients. Power outage can disrupt medical procedures and compromise patients' care and lead to threatening situations, practically in the intensive care, intensive care units and the operating rooms. Additionally, the lack of electricity can impact the storage of the medications and the vacancies, vacancies, leading to shortage and delay in treatments. Then the uh, next use in the communication networks. That means electricity power communication infrastructures, including phones, internet services, then emergency communication systems. During power outage, these communications channels may become incapable, hardening, and emergency responses at a time, impeding the disseminations of the critical informations. And this is a lack of communication can exacerbate the impact of the emergencies and lead to confusions and panic among affected individuals. Then they are using the transportation system. That means electricity power transportation networks such as traffic lights, subway systems, and railway networks are the essentials for the movement of goods and peoples. Power outage can disrupt transportation services, leading to traffic congestions, accidents, and daily in the public transit. Individually may to struggle. They are struggle to their advantages. Uh, then community of network access essential service or reacting during the emergencies and further exacerbating the impact of power outage. Economic implications, they are businesses and interruptions. That means business of all this largely rely on the electricity to power operations, maintain inventory systems and facilities for transportations. Power outage can disrupt to businesses activity, leading to loss of productivity and revenue and customer trust. Small business in the particular and the small business in the particular may lack of resources to invest in backup power and backup power solutions, making them more vulnerable to economic impact of outage. In the financial, they are in the financial losses. That's our power outage can result in financial losses for both businesses and individuals. They are spoiled food damages, electronics and internet services can incur significant cost, particularly for households and businesses without the access of backup power sources. Then additionally, the loss of income due to disturbed work schedules and the businesses to their closure can further strain financial resources and exacerbating the economic impact of the power outage. So these are the impact of without the electricity. So thank you.